Yesterday was so much fun, but today the house is in a different stage. This is what nobody talks about after you celebrate or after you done a party. Oh my god. I don't know where to start from. So let's get right into the video. Let's reset and put everything back to place. Motherhood is beautiful, but it also comes with a lot of responsibility. The decoration, the dishes, the balloon, the toys, they don't clean themselves. As a mom, we often move from one task to another without even realizing how much we are doing. I'm going to be keeping some of this balloon for hazard, but I won't be keeping much, just few of them. There are days when I'm tired, days when I wish I could stay in bed just a little longer. But I remind myself that every little things I do is an act of love for my family. One thing I always pray for is strength, not because I want everything to be perfect, but because I want the strength to keep showing up for my children, even on the days when I feel exhausted. Strength to keep loving, keep serving, and keep believing that the little things I do every day matters. I have also learned that motherhood is not about having a spotless home or getting everything right. It's about creating a home filled with love, peace, and beautiful memory. The mess can always be clean, but the smile, laughter, happiness from yesterday will stay in our hearts. So today, I am choosing gratitude. Gratitude for another day, for my family, for good health, and for opportunity to care for the people I love. If you are watching this and you are also a parent or you are carrying responsibilities that sometimes feel heavy, I just want to encourage you. You are doing better than you think. Keep going, one step, one task, one day at a time. Now let's finish cleaning this house and get ready for a brand new week. Thank you for spending this moment with me, and I hope this video encourage you to tackle whatever is waiting for you. Make sure you keep on watching and like, subscribe, comment down below. I don't know where the kids, I don't know where they kept this steaming mop. I've been looking for it since, and they are sleeping. I have no choice than to use normal mop. I don't want to tell you guys how many hours I use in cleaning. I don't want to say it, but I'm really glad everything is back to normal. Everything is like we are back to our routine. Everywhere feels so amazing, clean. So that is all, and I'm really glad again. Everything was good yesterday. Everything worked so fine. The kids, everyone, even myself, I enjoyed myself. In the midst of the kids, I really enjoyed myself. So that is all for today's video. Please do not forget to like. Please support your baby girl by liking this video. And I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.